やるんだから。
It's a hard knock life for us. It's a hard knock life for us. Static treated, we get tricked. Static kisses, we get kicked. It's a hard knock life.
それは大変だったね。でもまあ、アッコに手伝われてもありがた迷惑だしね。どういう意味よ！